Today we're gonna unbox this mobile tripod by Marchpower. So what's great about this tripod is it can extend up to 67 inches in length and can actually be used as a table phone holder as well as a tripod as well as a selfie stick, and has some incredible features. So let's check it out. It does come with a USB-C cable that can be used to charge that light and also charge that Bluetooth remote. It comes with an attachable light to help kind of light your face and scene better. The instructions are fantastic, very clear on how to set this up, and I'm super excited to show you some of the features today. Now the build itself is super durable. It's aluminum, has that tripod on the bottom. It's like a triangular support structure, so it's really stable. It does have really good structural strength with metal connecting rods, and on the bottom of the feet it's actually got like an anti-slip foot pads. Look, I think if you are a traveler, someone who wants to catch memories, a live streamer, even if you're using this to get some product photos, I think this is actually a really high quality built tripod. I've used a few over my time and this one is actually really good quality. It feels sturdy, it feels like it's not gonna slip on you. You can get pretty much any angle you want. Plus it has that Bluetooth remote and the light attachment. This is fantastic. And it even has a attachment if you want to connect another light or a camera using the plate. Super easy universal phone holder system, so you can hold iPhones, Androids, whatever you have. And then you can attach that light on top. Now, great fact about this is the phone can actually rotate 360 degrees. Now let's look at the actual tripod. So a Marchpower phone tripod actually facilitates a 360 degrees horizontal rotation and a 270 degree vertical rotation. That means basically you can get any multi-angle shooting that you need. And this is actually my favorite thing about this tripod. The way that you can change the angle 360 degrees, up, down. You can flip the phone, turn it around. You can pretty much reach any angle and face it in any which way that you want. I've never actually had a tripod that would allow me to do this, and it's a game changer. And this can be used as a selfie stick, a table tripod, or phone holder, and it is adjustable from 10.2 to 67 inches high. As I mentioned earlier, it does come with a Bluetooth remote control for taking the actual photos or turning on the camera, and that's fantastic. If you're trying to get one of those selfie shots where it's really far away from you, all you have to do is hide that behind you and just click it. It does feature omnidirectional rotation, and the grip handle itself is non-slip. This is actually really fantastic if you try and get some type of like bird's eye view or some weird angle where you want to get your tripod in somewhere. Do check for the link in the description and like and subscribe for more reviews.